I want to show you this wonderful project that I recently completed in the Heights. There's this fabulous laundry room that includes the latest, greatest laundry room thing, which is the steam cleaner that you can hang your clothes in. It cleans and disinfects your clothes without sending them to the dry cleaner. Really wonderful. Then we go down the hall to two fabulous nurseries, and then this beautiful guest room done in this sort of teal green color that is for my client's sister who visits often, and her beautiful bathroom in that same teal color. Great house. The pool is magnificent. The pool actually opens, it's centered, the house is U-shaped, and the three-car garage has sliding glass nano doors that open up so that you can actually have an entirely catered party and include the garage as part of it. It's a great house for entertaining and a great house for a young family.